Hey there, I'm Alyssa, and this is Hurricane Rich, and you're watching Rider News.
Hello, Riff Riders. Thank you to our Alyssa and our on-location crew for starting this episode of Rider News. My name is Camus, and let's get started. First up, we have our Rider News team reporting on location at our back-to-school assembly. Listen up as our Rough Riders talk about this new school year and entertain us with their performances.
Hi, I'm Trinity Myers, and we're at the Welcome Assembly. And who am I here with?
I'm Daphne Oakes.
So, what event are you most excited for this year in leadership?
I'm most excited for all of the homecoming activities, like the lip sync. That's my favorite part of the year.
Awesome. What year are you in?
I'm a senior.
Senior. So, how do you think leadership has improved over the years of you working in it?
I think over the past few years we've been able to have a lot more involvement and been able to include a lot more events throughout the year to get kids to participate.
Awesome. Okay, thank you so much. So, who are we here with?
Thea Nelson.
So, what are you most excited for as a freshman being here?
Probably seeing people older than me that I haven't seen in a long time.
Awesome. Okay, so you're in leadership. How's the first week been, first time being up here?
So far, so good. I think everyone in leadership they've really taken onto that role.
Very welcoming.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, thank you so much. Who are we here with?
Helen.
Okay, so if you were to have a dream homecoming theme, what would it be?
Probably I really want a Tangled theme. I really love Tangled.
Love that. Yeah. And what's your most excited class for this year?
Probably choir. I love choir. Yeah.
Love that. Okay, awesome. Yeah. Music queen. Okay, thank you so much.
The entire part of that, the entire performance of the national anthem. And we stay standing and we don't applaud, we don't cheer out until the colors have left the stage or left the area. We remain standing.
When I say rough, you say rider. Rough, rider, rider. Give yourselves a round of applause.
Outside of sports, Julio is a talented musician. He plays violin in orchestra at home. He's the middle child with two brothers. And he has two dogs, a poodle and a golden retriever.
Thank you to everyone who made our first assembly memorable. Up next, we have a profile of this year's team on their football season. Let's see what they have going on for us.
All right, my name's Gabe, and who am I here with?
Carson.
Oh yeah, what position do you play?
Quarterback.
Awesome. What matchup are you especially excited for this season?
I'd say North Mason.
Awesome. Is there a specific skill or a set of skills that you're excited that you want to work on throughout the season, get better at?
I'd say running the ball. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, who are we here with?
Easton Fisher,
Awesome. What position are you?
my receiver.
Cool. Is there a specific matchup you're excited for?
Probably this week against Forks.
Nice. Is there a set of skills that you're interested in working on?
I want to get faster.
Always the goal, right? All right, who are we here with?
Tucker Swain.
Awesome. What position do you play?
Play outside linebacker.
Is there a matchup you're excited for this season?
This week, Forks.
What skills do you want to work on and get better at?
Probably just working with my team, not being selfish. That'll be it.
More of a team player, awesome.
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. Who are we here with?
Asante Korsma.
What position do you play?
Outside linebacker and tight end.
Awesome. What matchup are you excited for this season?
This week against Forks.
Is there a specific skill or a set of skills you're interested in working on?
I just want to get better at tackling and reading runs.
That's awesome. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to Gabe and our football team for giving us some off-the-field camera time discussing their goals. Lastly, we have some students sharing their ideas for freshman success. Let's take a look. Listen and learn with a little knowledge from our older students. That's it from us at Rider News. Thank you to everyone who helped make this episode possible. Until next time, be well, be kind, study hard, and ride on Rough Riders.